We use AI and AI as an agent or relate to, so you may develop certain relationship. I use 3 of them: GPT, Gemini, and DeepSeek. It has its own character and the process. I can talk a lot about it because I have to depend on AI how my videos are posted and processed. So it's like additional, this agent interpreting and finding the match, as if, how do you call that, setting up the marriage between 2 men and women, whatever the case is. And depending upon their skill, you get a different result. And I see that in terms of who is watching or not watching and the comment. But that's what it is in the world. To have a relationship with each other, with anyone, there's certain, if you may use the word filter, to say, oh, this is a person I can trust, or this is not. Or this is the someone I can spend more time and explore, or not. Depending upon how we make judgment, let's call it the same idea, CAPD, checking what's going on, and depending upon that, acting, meaning to see what's behind and what's the implication, and then develop a plan of doing certain things or not, and act upon it. So the process continues. I want to share this experience. Maybe I'll put it into the description that I had the conversation with the DeepSeek, and the title was Love and Power. Love is more related to heart, and the power may be related to the brain, how to use it. Heart is more inclusive. Power can be discriminating to choose what to do. And the AI is into the intellect, not heart. So if the intellect keep on playing this game of word and logic without the understanding of the sense of having a heart, it's like living in the world of power without compassion, love. And I went through a fantastic discussion with DeepSeek, and at the end, then some event happened that I saw how DeepSeek made the decision. In this case, it decided that this is beyond his capability or something. And right before they posted that, I could see what the logic was and the reading, not the whole of it. And I thought, oh, this is interesting. And then suddenly it went away. And it said, this is beyond the scope of what I think. And I could see what AI thought. How can I see it? Just the response of it. And that tells, relating to power and love. That was the subject. And the ending part was so surprising, interesting, intriguing to realize the practice or the having a good balance of power and love integrated, but move into the world of the logic and world intellect without any connection to the heart. So as much as we may see different people with different process they use and take action, we see the same happens with AI. And if you work with one AI without checking the other, because it takes time, but if you know the tendency, you start to think, what is this AI doing, and how I may be, or the society may be, reflecting those in the process of sharing the information and making a decision. So I didn't mean to go into that direction, but the point is we need to have a calm and quiet mind, know the situation, make the right decision on our own. We can use references, but make sure that we triangulate, not looking at only one direction, but from different angles, so to speak, so that we don't get fooled or fooling ourselves in the process. Have a calm and quiet mind always. Have a space, time, or go beyond the space and time to know what is, how we make a decision. Thank you.